People can't stop talking about Ice Age in 3D.
I loved it. It was great.
We saw it 3 times.
Fun for the whole family.
For a limited time only, see Ice Age in 4D. The fourth dimension is time.
Oh, I'm gonna love it. I know because I met the future me who saw it and loved it.
We saw it 3 million times in an hour.
I felt like a kid again. Because I was a kid again.
Go to select Lowe's theaters and see Ice Age in 5D. The fifth dimension is another possible reality caused by choice or chance somewhere along the course of time.
Well, in this version of reality, I saw the proposal instead. It sucked.
I loved it so much, I went back to the actual Ice Age, killed the bug, and now my sister doesn't exist.
In this dimension, I married a supermodel. Score.
Get a large popcorn and see Ice Age in 6D. The sixth dimension allows you to jump between different possible realities.
No, I already told you I didn't. I saw it. It's beautiful.
I miss my sister. Everything's back to normal.
In this dimension, I married a supermodel.
Get your 7-Up helmets and see Ice Age in 7D. The seventh dimension is all conceivable possibilities within the universe.
I saw it! I didn't see it! I made it! I made the movie!
We are all, we are every, we are one.
Who is she?
Go to the drive-in at Area 51 and see Ice Age in 8D. The eighth dimension is another possible universe caused by a different combination of particles after the Big Bang.
I liked it. I thought Ray Romano was hilarious.